My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I'm an executive educator, executive coach, and author of 30 leadership books. One of my leadership books, titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, was ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books by San Diego University for the year 2013. It's widely read globally by various leaders, including CEOs. Having got great response for this book, I have authored another book titled 21 Success Sutras for CEOs. This book contains lots of case studies of CEOs who led during turbulent times and who built great organizations globally. One of the sutras is about avoid clinging to status quo. When I was writing this chapter, the leader who came to my mind is Amazon's founder and CEO Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is a very daring and dashing entrepreneur who gave up his lucrative job and founded Amazon from his garage in Seattle. So I enjoyed writing about him, and he's basically a dreamer and doer, and he's a visionary leader and a great entrepreneur. There are some leadership lessons you can learn from him. First thing is you must be a risk taker. He gave up his job and started his own company. That shows that he's basically a risk taker. Even after founding Amazon, he kept on reinventing and taking lots of risks. And he always followed his heart. He believed in pursuing his passion for entrepreneurship. And he is basically a trendsetter, not a trend follower. He doesn't follow anybody, and he has a unique mind, and he does things of his own, and he always sets the trend for other leaders and CEOs to follow. And he is an explorer, not a conqueror. He keeps exploring, experimenting new products and services, and doesn't believe much in taking on the competitors. He believes more in customer satisfaction, not money. Because what he believes is that if customers are happy through word of mouth, they tell to other customers, and automatically the services and goods can be sold, and the organizational bottom lines can be improved. So likewise, there are a number of lessons you can learn from him. And when you look at his brand, uh, Jeff Bezos didn't get the attention which he deserves globally, whereas leaders and CEOs they got huge global attention. Uh, for instance, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Richard Branson, Mark Zuckerberg, they got great attention globally, but Jeff Bezos couldn't get that much of attention. Maybe because he failed to concentrate on building his leadership brand, and people think that he does only e-commerce business, and maybe because he doesn't have time to focus on branding. So he needs to focus on building his brand. And another thing is that after the death of Steve Jobs, there is a vacuum in the technology sector. I'm sure he can fill that vacuum by building his brand. And there are some tips you can acquire to stay away from status quo. That is, you must be a risk taker. The second thing is you should not be complacent, and third thing, you should be always be out of comfort zone like Steve Jobs. And fourth thing is don't stick to the old tools and the techniques that were successful, because the tools and techniques that worked in the past might not work at the next level. Marshall Goldsmith, a renowned executive coach, said in his book, "What got you here won't get you there," as whatever the techniques and methods which were adopted by leaders to come up to a certain level might not work at the next level. So it's very obvious that the things that work might not work at the next level. So you should always stay away from status quo, and in order to keep your organizations vibrant, and in order to take your organizations from good to great. So the takeaway from today's video is reinvent your organizations and build your leadership brand. I appreciate your like, comment and share with your connections. Thanks for your time.